Alright guys, what's up? Zach Vlogs back at it with another video. And today, you guys know about the title. We have my Slingshot right here. Pretty dope stuff. I'm pretty good at it. So yeah. We have a root beer bottle, Rockstar can, an apple, and a light bulb that we are going to be shooting with that. I have my box right here. I have my iPod right here for slow-mo. That'll be sitting in the box. I think I'm going to fill that up with water. So, I don't know what we should shoot first. But yeah, today's not going to be a vlog. It's more going to be like just this. Because I have to whip out another vlog for today. Because I need to upload Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday next week, so I won't be here. Oof, the grass is like so red. I don't know how I feel about the people around here. I don't know, I just think they're weird. I like vibrates, it's annoying as nuts. But yeah guys, so I think I'm gonna shoot this first full water. I'm gonna set it in there. I'll have my iPod facing it. So let's get to that right now. Alright guys, so I just went through, found a few rocks out of the rocks over there. So now we're just gonna set those down right there. I don't know how I'm gonna set up the cameras yet, but I don't know. I guess we'll just have to set them up. Alright guys, so I have it all set up. I have rocks on the box to make it like not blow away. I have my slow-mo camera right there. And I don't know how I'm gonna set up this one. I might just set it up like right there, I don't know. Whatever. So this is the first one, so let's get to it. Alright, first attempt. Yo guys, that got destroyed. I don't know if you guys saw that from the angle, but I know that angle has it. Like, look. Like, oop. Gotta get our piece back in. That's why the box is there. But yeah guys, that was pretty freaking cool. Let's do the light bulb next. No, that'll be for the last. Let's do the energy drink. Alright, so now for the energy drink can, let's get to that right now. Okay guys, so that one was a pretty big success. If it was a full energy drink can, I'd do it, but it doesn't look like it made any holes in it. It just dented it really bad. I don't think there's any holes in it. Oh well. Now for the apple. Let's do the apple. Skim the top. Alright guys, so that was just that right there. We're gonna do it one more go. It basically just obliterated it and made it like cottage apple. So we're gonna do it until it goes in. Alright guys, so that's all the destruction on the apple. It looked like one rock went right into it. It's pretty, here, let's get into the sun. That's one pretty destructive apple. Well, destructed. Look at all, like, there's all that remnants in there. Whatever. Alright, so now, for this weird light bulb thing on the jigger. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I guess this camera wasn't recording, but I had that one recording, so. But the light bulb just like exploded. Like, I don't know if the light bulbs are pressurized, but it went everywhere. There's just glass, like this is the light bulb glass, it's really thin. Gee, that was really cool. I gotta get rid of this box because it has all my glass and crap in it. I felt glass shards come hit me back there where I was shooting it from. So there's the apple, the glass bottle, the light bulb, and the energy drink can. Let's go inside. Alright guys, so I'm back at home right now. Back in my house right now. My backyard. But like, I just got done watching the slow-mos on here, and they were pretty freaking cool. Like, light bulb one and the glass bottle one, I think, were the dopest. There will be a pull-up in one of the corners. There will be a pull-up in one of the corners. Which one you thought the dopest? What was the dopest? Gosh, I can't tell right now. But yeah, guys, so I'm going on a trip. I don't know if you guys didn't know that, but I'm going on a trip, and I will not have Wi-Fi for a whole week until the 4th. Friday, this Friday until the 4th. Well, yeah, today's Monday. I don't know, whenever I upload this Friday, I'll upload this video on Friday. So next Friday, I won't have Wi-Fi. Okay, whatever. Just Friday till the 4th, okay? So yeah, guys, I'm making all my videos right now so I can upload them, have them scheduled, and have them go public that day. And then I'll vlog the freaking rafting trips, so yeah, whatever, guys. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe to the friends. Zach Vlogs, peace out.
I used to feel so devastated.